Hey there, just making a quick video of this cowbell. Handheld cowbell. I wanted to make a video so that you can hear it. And I hope it sells before my mom sees it. Because brings back a lot of memories. First generation American. We were hustlers. We used to go out in the back of my stepfather's truck, sell snow cones. And you remember those days when you had fans and the windows down because it's a nice spring day and you can hear the ice cream and raspa snow cone man, girl coming by. Raspas, aquí están los raspas. That's snow cones in Spanish. It's pretty loud. Does the job. And it's pretty cool because you can do it from the bottom or do the little flipperoo. Okay, I'm gonna stop now because I'm having a little too much fun there. And it's gonna be for sale. There you go.